Hello, I'm Judith Gomez.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Camacaro.
Today we are going to learn about type of sentences by structure.
Okay, thank God for sentence and thank God for sentence by structure. Sentences are a little package of words that come together to express a complete thought. They make easier to understand ideas and to learn information.
Without sentences, we will be like a jackass. We will be lost.
Before you know the type of sentence, you need to know what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that express a statement, question, comment, or which. Sentence usually contains a verb and a subject. In written English, the first word of the sentence is capitalized, as we can see in this example. He is capitalized and is the subject, and it is the verb.
When people think about an ice cream, there are three basic flavors that come to mind: vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Like an ice cream, sentences also have four basic flavors: simple, compound, complex, and complex compound. It's important to be able to recognize the different types of sentences.
The first one is the simple sentence. Simple sentence contain a single independent clause. That's how simple they are. Let's see some examples. Some students like to study in the mornings. This is an independent clause because it has a subject, which is the word in green, and a verb, which is the word in blue. Juan and Anthony play football every afternoon. This is also an independent clause because Juan and Anthony are a subject and place is the verb. Alicia goes to the library and studies every day. As we can see, Alicia is the subject and goes is the verb.
Compound sentences contain two independent clauses, joined by a coordinated conjunction. The coordinated conjunctions are called fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Examples: I tried to speak Spanish and my friend tried to speak English. Alex played football, so Maria went to shopping. The class will get a reward, for we always behave. In the first sentences, we have two independent clauses joined by the coordinated conjunction and. In the second sentences, we have the coordinated conjunction so. In the last one, we have the coordinated conjunction for.
A complex sentence is a sentence that combines one independent clause with at least one dependent clause. A clause is a group of words that has both subject and a verb. An independent clause forms a complete thought. An independent clause, also called a subordinating clause, does not form a complete thought. Let's see some examples. First, when he handled in his homework, he forgot to hand the teacher the last page. The teacher returned the homework after she noticed the error. The students are studying because they have a test tomorrow. The sentence, which is in color green, are the dependent clause.
The compound complex sentences is so named because it shares the characteristics of both compound and complex. It contains two independent clauses and one dependent clause. We have three examples. Number one, Charlie could not hear his watch because it had stopped and he was worried. Number two, because it had stopped, Charlie could not hear his watch and he was worried. Number three, Although Sarah called out for Charlie, no one answered, and Sarah was scary. In the examples, we have in red color the independent clause. In the purple colors, we have the dependent clause.
For more information, those links. Thank you for joining us. And remember, keep calm is not that difficult.